So you're thinking about starting your own recruiting agency, which is extremely exciting. And you're probably wondering, where do I start? What industry do I focus on? How do I, make my branding uniform to that niche? And in this video, I'm going to show you the importance of finding a niche for your recruiting company. I'm going to go over 3 niches, which really nobody talks about, which I think is the best kept secret here in 2022. It's untapped territory that you can start today and really penetrate these industries. So outside of the obvious niches of IT, healthcare, logistics and manufacturing, sometimes referenced as light industrial, there are 3 areas where I think you could really make an impact and where I'm seeing a lot of trends within boutique staffing companies making tons of money. Okay, so let's review those real quick. Number 1 is artificial intelligence and robotics, okay? Anything involved in manufacturing, you think of Tesla and the way that they're creating robots right now, and they actually have robots that work on a lot of their hardware products in their factories. That is what I'm talking about. So artificial intelligence, robotics, anything within a manufacturing environment that's only getting more and more popular in pretty much every industry. All right, number 2, cryptocurrency and blockchain. Huge opportunity there. I don't care that cryptocurrency is down right now and Bitcoin is down. Doesn't matter to me. That's not going away. Okay, that's going to get better and better as the years go on. It just makes perfect sense. And the government is starting to adapt to it a little bit more. That's a whole nother video. Bottom line is there's tons of opportunity within cryptocurrency and blockchain, as well as the metaverse too, which all ties in. So that's a great area to look into. And number 3 is an area that I've worked in for really my entire career. So I've been a recruiter for 27 years. I've owned, operated, scaled, and sold 3 staffing companies along that path. And I've always remained in one industry, okay? And that is wireless telecommunications. So I'm not talking about going into a Verizon store or T-Mobile store and buying a cell phone. That's more the retail side. What I'm referring to is the infrastructure that helps us have bandwidth and be able to communicate on our devices. So cell phone towers, small cells, distributed antenna systems, tons of opportunities still in that space. I would encourage you to go after that. That's a space that I work in, and I'm telling you this because it really is the best kept secret, and there's plenty of opportunity to go around, so I have no problem telling you to dive into that niche, all right? So again, outside of the obvious areas of IT, healthcare, manufacturing, light industrial, accounting, which most recruiters step into, and it's okay. There's plenty of money to make there as well. But I think the 3 most innovative niches are the one that I just covered: AI, robotics, automation within a manufacturing environment, cryptocurrency, blockchain, 5G wireless infrastructure. Great areas to step into. Get your branding surrounded by one of those niches, your website, your messaging, and then make sure that everything you put in place going forward is focusing on that niche. That'll only help you make a lot of money going forward. Thanks, guys.